Welcome to this Zoom Room presentation of Getting Paid for Working Smarter. This is part of the TCA Discovery Seminar Series. Today, we'll be talking about tax credits for technical development. You may be eligible for significant funding and not even know it. Anytime you're trying to do something better, faster, or cheaper, you may be doing eligible work. Let's see how. Here at Tax Credit Advisors, we're dedicated to helping you keep more of what you make. We've been doing this a long time, serving manufacturers and software companies since the year 2000. Now, there is a significant amount of money available to help keep engineering and manufacturing jobs here in the United States. For example, NASA supports the study of space and its exploration. The Centers for Disease Control conduct research into communicable diseases. The Department of Agriculture funds research into improving crop yields and reducing world hunger, among other things. And there are many other agencies that are engaged in similar efforts. But did you know that the things that you do to improve your technical capabilities in manufacturing or in software development can also qualify for significant funding? It's true. There's a lot of money available to help you pay for improvements you make. For example, new and improved products, or improved manufacturing processes, or better fixtures and related equipment, or new and improved software, both for control programs and new applications. Hello, I'm Otto Kunz. I have worked with the Greater Boston Manufacturing Partnership in one capacity or another for over 20 years. I am a certified public accountant and I'm an enrolled agent, which means I have a license from the U.S. Department of the Treasury to represent taxpayers before all administrative levels of the IRS. I'm a tax expert who knows about this particular area of funding. When I founded this company, I looked like this. With 2 children under 5 years of age, my wife and I were highly motivated to make this business a success. This meant long hours and a lot of hard work to provide the very best services possible for our clients in manufacturing and in software development. Over the years, we have helped hundreds of companies with thousands of projects recover many millions of dollars in benefits they often didn't even know they qualified for. My loss, these days I look more like this. My loss in good looks can be your gain in significant sums of money for you. The work you do to improve your products, processes, and equipment, as well as your work in software development, make you eligible for federal and state tax credits that are aimed at keeping engineering and manufacturing and software jobs here in the United States. Many other federal and state agencies are involved. The work that we do leads many of our clients to qualify for over $100,000 a year or more in savings. All that is required is proof that you are trying to improve your products, your processes, your equipment, and/or the software that's used to make it all happen. It may surprise you to know that even wire coat hangers and toothpicks can qualify. Many years ago, I had the privilege of sharing a podium with Mr. David Bernard of the IRS, who at the time was the National Issues Specialist for the federal research credit under Section 41 of the Internal Revenue Code. He said that even manufacturers of coat hangers and toothpicks could qualify as long as the projects claimed met 3 specific criteria. First, there had to be at least one discrete and measurable technical advance, for example, trying to reduce the scrap rate during the manufacture of coat hangers. Second, a degree of technological uncertainty had to be present related to that advance. So if you're trying to reduce scrap, you certainly want to do that without having to slow your process or increase your unit cost. Third, we have to show that a process of experimentation was undertaken in an effort to overcome that uncertainty. In other words, more than one alternative approach was evaluated during the project. But that's it. In other words, as long as you're trying to do something new and different, you're not sure it's going to work, and you have to try different things in an effort to make it work, you are probably doing eligible work, even though you don't think of yourself as doing research and development. Well, how do you file a claim? That is our job. We will help you identify projects that are eligible, write technical descriptions of that work to show that the work is eligible, and work with your internal and external accountants to compile and document your claims. We will also stand by your side if your claims are audited and fight like a tiger to defend them. In over 20 years and thousands of projects, We are very proud to say that our work has stood the test of time. We have worked with GBMP for many years and have helped many companies to successfully claim credits for lean initiatives in addition to more traditional R&D efforts as well. At Tax Credit Advisors, we specialize in helping eligible manufacturers and software companies identify the activities that they can get funded and preparing the documentation they need in order to claim those funds. We have successfully defended many millions of dollars in claims over the years. We have done this by taking responsibility for the claim process from start to finish. We work with your accountants to provide them with the confidence they need to file your claims and to stand by them. We also work as a back office for larger accounting firms. We are very proud of the work we do, and of course, we wouldn't still be in business after more than 20 years if we weren't very proud of that work. We are also very proud that our clients keep us coming back every year. Thousands of American manufacturers and software development firms are eligible too. Think about it. How much time and effort do you spend trying to improve product performance, or to reduce scrap rates, or to improve cycle time, or to improve environmental friendliness, or worker safety, or any of countless other improvements? I'm sure you can think of many more. If you spend time working on any of these things, you are probably eligible. We have helped to secure millions of dollars for GBMP clients and hope to secure many more. Our initial service is free, and we would very much appreciate the opportunity to talk to you. We have a lot of experience to help. We have many years of experience in the claim preparation and defense process, and have been to some of the best academic institutions in the country, including those listed here. Also, we are proud to provide not only a free consultation, which most of our competitors will do, but also a comprehensive look at your eligible activities, a comprehensive documentation strategy, and a best faith estimate of your eligible expenses. This is important. If you are a GBMP member, this is completely without charge to you. Also, even though it's free, you are free to take our free work for you to a competitor. Of course, we hope that you would hire us to do the work. However, our main mission is to help keep engineering, manufacturing, and software development jobs here in the United States, regardless of whether you hire us. We are here to help you. So what projects qualify? Well, in new product development, anything you do to develop or improve upon an existing product is probably eligible, as long as you have to evaluate alternative approaches or experiment with it. Also, many people overlook the eligibility of efforts to improve process performance without sacrificing quality, yield, safety, or unit cost. Finally, remember your equipment. Capital equipment generally isn't eligible, but it's very expensive, and you often try to get as much life out of it as possible. Any ongoing efforts you develop to create improved jigs, fixtures, modules, or otherwise extend the life of your existing equipment very well could be part of an experimental development process that could be eligible. We can help you figure that out. So, after all this, do you think you probably don't qualify? Well, you probably do. Product development, process improvement, and equipment modifications are generally always motivated by a desire to improve your technological capabilities overall. Often, these efforts are undertaken in the heat of the moment, and so are not considered to be what they are, experimental development projects. You think perhaps you're just trying to put out a fire or solve a problem for a customer, when in fact what you're trying to do is overcome technological uncertainty in order to achieve that goal. We can help you get your arms around the extent of your qualified efforts and help you get the funding you have earned. It costs nothing to try. Please call us today. Thank you very much for your time and attention during this informational video. We look forward to your call and to hopefully working with you and your team. Also, thank you very much for your efforts to help keep engineering and manufacturing jobs here in the United States. Here's our contact information. We're Tax Credit Advisors, LLC. We are here to help you keep more of what you make, and this is our contact information. Be well, have a great day.